Why did the captain send the men to the land? Answer. The captain sent men to the land to fetch water. Why did the men rush back to the ship? Answer. The men rushed back to the ship because a giant chased them. Choose the correct answer. The giant carried a reaping book because he was fighting with other giants. He was going to reap the corn. He wanted to frighten Gulliver. Answer. He was going to reap the corn. They put Gulliver on the ground to look at him because they had never seen a human before. They thought he was a doll. They had never seen such a tiny man. Answer. They had never seen such a tiny man. Name the creature who would look like Gulliver. The creature is now extinct. Word begins with the letter D. Answer. Dinosaur. From the text, write the sentences that tells you the following. The giant reapers were fascinated by Gulliver. Answer. They all sat on the ground to take a good look at me. Gulliver was a learned man. Answer. I tried to speak to them in several languages. The farmer's son thought Gulliver was a toy. Answer. On seeing me, the child grabbed me from the table and put my head into his mouth. The farmer's wife was a kind hearted woman. Answer. Later, she put me on her own bed and covered me with a clean white handkerchief. Now, complete the following. Use the words given in the box. Red, slow, black, gentle, warm, strong, sweet, light, white. As light as a feather. Answer. Light. As slow as a tortoise. Answer. Slow. As sweet as honey. Answer. Sweet. As white as snow. Answer. White. As strong as an ox. Answer. Strong. As black as night. Answer. Black. As red as a rose. Answer. Red. As warm as a toast. Answer. Warm. As gentle as a breeze. Answer. Gentle. Use the above expression to complete the following sentences. The old man's hair is as white as snow. Answer. As snow. His feet were as cold as ice. Answer. As ice. The newspaper boy was as slow as a tortoise delivering papers. Answer. As a tortoise. I felt as light as a feather after exercising. Answer. As a feather. Create our own comparisons for the following. Work in pairs. Answer. As tall as a tower. As fast as a rocket. As high as the sky. As angry as a lion. As tiny as an atom. As tiny as an atom. As brave as Jhansi Ki Rani. Now, complete the following suitably. I was sitting in a taxi yesterday when I saw her. Answer. I saw her. He was cleaning out his cupboard when he found his old photograph. Answer. He found his old photograph. I was passing along the street when corner a dog ran out onto the road. Answer. I was passing along the street when corner. The boys were quarreling. The teacher walked into the room. Answer. The boys were quarreling. Correct the use of the describing words in the following sentences. This is the simpler problem of them all. Answer. This is the simplest problem of them all. Which is the lightest of the two parcels? Answer. Which is the lighter of the two parcels? He is cleverer than I am. Answer. He is cleverer than me. I like this the best of the two. Answer. I like this better of the two. The flood became badder as the rain increased. Answer. The flood became worse as the rain is increased. Punctuate the following sentences using capital letters, full stops, comma, question mark, apostrophe, exclamation mark, wherever necessary. Dear Samir, I am sending you a photograph of my newest pet Frisky. Is a bulldog and a very playful puppy. By next summer, he should be old enough to go with us on our long walks. I am sure you are looking forward to seeing him. I know you will like him. Warm regards, Sanju. Dear Samir, comma, I am sending you a photograph of my newest pet, full stop. Frisky is a bulldog and a very playful puppy, full stop. By next summer, he should be old enough to go with us on our long walks, full stop. I am sure you are looking forward to see him, full stop. I know you will like him, full stop. Warm regards, comma, Sanju. Punctuate the following sentences. Next Wednesday, my sister Meeta is going to join the State Bank of India. Answer. N capital. Next Wednesday, my sister, comma, Meeta, M capital, is going to join the State Bank of India. The dog wags its tail when it's pleased, but a cat waves its tail when it's angry. When I went fishing, I caught an old shoe, a plastic bag, and a bad cold. Answer. Capital W. When I went fishing, I caught an old shoe, comma, a plastic bag, and a bad cold. She fed the baby, washed the dishes, put the lights off, and went to sleep. Answer. S capital. She fed the baby, comma, washed the dishes, comma, put off the lights, and went to sleep. Wasn't Tim born on the 26th of January 1989? Answer. Capital W. Wasn't Tim born on 26th of January, comma, 1989? Oh no, the bus was gone. Answer. Capital O. Oh no! Exclamation mark. Capital T. The bus has gone. Fill in the blanks. A giant tree, redwood trees of California. Answer. Redwood trees of California. A giant bird, ostrich. Answer. Ostrich. A giant land animal, elephant. Answer. Elephant. A giant water creature, whale. Answer. Whale. A giant reptile, anaconda. Answer. Anaconda. A giant aeroplane, A380. Answer. A380.